Welcome to my channel. How to connect Brother printer to Wi-Fi, quick and easy. Let's learn how to connect your Brother printer to Wi-Fi in a few simple steps. First, power on the printer. Ensure your Brother printer is plugged in and properly powered on. Wait until the screen displays the main menu. Second, go to Menu or Settings. On the printer's control panel, press the Menu or Settings button to access system options. Third, open Network Settings. Use the arrow keys to scroll and select Network from the list. Press OK to enter. Fourth, select WLAN. Inside the network settings, choose WLAN, and then press OK. Now select Setup Wizard, and confirm by pressing OK again. Fifth, let printer search for Wi-Fi. The printer will start searching for all available wireless networks. This might take a few moments, be patient. Sixth, choose your Wi-Fi network. From the list of detected networks, select your Wi-Fi network name, SSID. Use the arrow keys and press OK to select. Seventh, enter Wi-Fi password. Now use the on-screen keyboard to carefully type your Wi-Fi password, case sensitive. Once done, press OK to continue. Eighth, printer will connect to Wi-Fi. The printer will attempt to connect to your selected Wi-Fi. This may take 10 to 30 seconds. Ninth, connection successful. If everything is correct, the screen will show connection OK or connected. Your printer is now on the network. 10th, install printer on your PC, optional but recommended. On your computer or laptop, visit support.brother.com. Download and install the latest driver and software for your printer model. During installation, choose wireless connection when asked. Thank you for watching.